Hello guys, welcome to Sickled Traders channel. Here goes the weekly projection review video. So last week I talked about this low being the long-term drawn liquidity, long-term drawn liquidity. This low I'm still expecting it to get taken out. I talked about this low, wanted this low to be taken out, and this low also. So the two lows have been taken out, and due to the incidents happening, geopolitical war happening between Iran and Israel, the market gapped down, and I talked about the probability of the market gapping down on last week video. You could go check it out. So right now we have the gap down, and he left a volume imbalance, a gap. Due to that gap, so on a weekly time frame, on a weekly time frame we have last week right here taking this monthly low. I talked about this monthly low being a target last week also. Taking this monthly low. So now what should be our drawn liquidity, and what should or am I targeting for next week? Projection for next week. Am I expecting market to draw to these gaps, this volume imbalance that was opened, this gap that was formed on Monday? So if you go down to the daily, you have the candlesticks. You have this Friday's low took out Thursday's low, and Thursday's low took out Wednesday's low, but we still have Tuesday's low. Everything is still inside Tuesday's low. So the draw on liquidity now is you are expecting the market to take at least the Friday's high sitting at 1.16214, and Thursday's high sitting at 1.16474, and we have the Wednesday's high sitting at 1.16549, up to this imbalance, imbalance right here, to this volume imbalance right here. This volume imbalance right here. This little, let me mark another refined one. This little imbalance right here. This little imbalance right here. So I'm expecting the market to come here. I'm expecting the market to come to that imbalance, to draw to the imbalance, and then continue selling. I still expect this long-term low. The long-term low, I still expect it to be taken. When I stop expecting it to be taken is when market closes above here. If not, I'm still expecting. So I'm expecting a buy from here to this, and a sell from here, and a sell from this area to this. But we know that the market does not move in a straight line, but that is where I'll be expecting. So let me go down to the 4 hours. So 4 hours, we have the candle movement already, that high I'm talking about, and this imbalance right here. Let me go down to the straight to the 1 hour. Same thing. We already have the accumulation right here, like I talked about, and This is the manipulation, and I go down to I'm going to go down for 15 minutes to look for where we could be looking for a possible entry. And we have a nice imbalance right here. A nice imbalance right here. So I'll be expecting market selling to this imbalance and then buy from here to those buy sides we talked about, the draws, the imbalance, and the volume imbalance. So let's head down to the next pair, which is GU. Here we are on GBP USD. So on last week video, I talked about this low, and I talked about this low being the draw, and I talked about this being the long-term draw on liquidity, which is where I'm expecting the market to go long-term, except this high gets taken out. This high gets taken out. That is when I won't be expecting here to be taken out anymore. So then on the let's go down right to the weekly. So for this week, I'm expecting a buy. The weekly last week I should be taking. Just like EU into that gap. Last week I should be taking. Then on the daily, we already have this nice 3 candle pattern. This nice ICT swing. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. So I'm expecting a buy all the way to this up candle, this other block right here, at least, or to fill up. So at least this high is a target, which is Friday's high. You could get a manipulation first, maybe the high gets taken first, then it draws a little bit. The highs gets taken first, maybe candles open, it opens like this way. Maybe let me use draw part. Market opens this way, something of this nature, go up, then come down, touch the body, that body candle, and then we get this to this place. Due to my long-term drawn liquidity, from there I think we should sell. But let's see how it goes. Every week I will be here to show what I think. So then go down to 4 hours. Right here on 4 hours, I have these nice looking areas. I have this volume imbalance. That is a draw on liquidity. Market should draw to that area. And I talked about this other block on the last video. I talked about this other block that I was expecting market to come to this other block on last week projection video. So, well, market on a fast on a fast movement or a fast market, price uses imbalance to sell. Just selected from this imbalance right here and sold. This imbalance right here and this other block right here. So it may come back to use this refined one to continue the sell off. To continue the sell off. So we may get a little bit of resistance right here. A little bit of resistance right here. Now let me go down to the 15. Let's just do it top down. 2 minutes. See the same thing, just left the accumulation phase. just left this accumulation phase. We accumulated in between here and here, manipulated here this week. This week took out all this, and the market is now going upward. That is classic accumulation manipulation video, accumulation manipulation scenario. Then 1 hour, still the same thing. It's 15 minutes. Let's say a possible place where we could enter the market. Let's see if there is something like that. And right here on the 15 minutes, we have this nice looking order block. When an indecisive candlestick forms another block, it's a strong one. So market could retrace to this area and buy from here, from this indecisive candlestick order block, or just retraces to this LVG and buy from there. Any one of them. It's not a financial advice, but if I'm going to say, if market gets to this area, I'm going to buy. If market comes to this area, I'm going to buy. So let's head down to the other pair, which is UC. Here we are on USD CAD. So right here, this is all the things I marked out last week. I talked about this indecisive candlestick range that I expected the market to take the high, and after the high should be the low, which is what is currently playing out. So I'll go down to the weekly time frame. That is where we are expecting the market to get to, this low and this low. Just what I talked about. So funny enough, I talked about this, and I didn't even take any trade on this pair. I didn't even take any trade on this pair. Just to be real with you guys, I'm not presenting myself as a professional here. I'm journaling my journey in real time, and I know about the market, and I know how to analyze. So I'm not a professional actually. So if you have any suggestion, you could drop your own suggestion on the comments section. Maybe you have a question or suggestion or correction, you could drop on the comments. So I did not take any trade. I did not take any trade on this, even though I predicted what should be the possible movement. What will be the possible movement. So journaling my journey with funded nest prop firm. This first time I'm buying a prop account in my trading career, and I'm journaling my journey, recording it and sending it out here. So subscribe with me to just be part of this my journey. So what will I be expecting this week? So right here now, I'm still expecting it to go down to this draw on liquidity, this low. But we know the market does not move in a straight line. So possibly this market could still come back to this other block. Let me take out this. Let me take out that line out. Take out. It will still come back. It may still come back to this other block right here. I mean fair value gap. Then there's another block here. This fair value gap right here. Take this out. Fair value gap have been filled. We have a fair value gap right here. The market could probably fill this. So we get a reaction from this fair value gap right here, because USD CAD as a pair is pair that doesn't like giving you that thing once. They likes it likes full play. It likes full play, like playing around. So probably going to get a tap here and a move up here and a move up here to this fair value gap here, or to this other block right here, this particular other block, that particular other block right there, before it sells down to this monthly low, So the fundamental aspect, NFP that came out was minus 90 something K. So US is losing 90 something K job. So that is bad for USD as a currency. Although we got jobs, so it will still get to this area. This is still where we are heading to. But let's see what is going to happen. So like and subscribe, drop your comments. I will be glad to get your comments. If you have a video suggestion for me, although I still have videos down that I'll be uploading, catch new weekly videos every Wednesday. Then projection videos comes out every Saturday, and my FX journey comes out every Sunday. My Profem journaling, my journey comes out every Sunday. So on a Sunday, I'll be uploading the video to show the trades on Sunday, to show the trade I took, and how it went. So anticipate my video. You could go watch my former video to see the rules that I mapped out for myself, the rules I'm meant to keep. Thank you. Don't forget to click the like and click the subscribe button. Turn on your notification to get notified whenever we upload any video. See you next time. Sickled signing out.